Panjina Panyang Tanong. Walaupan Tempat Berdekatan Jalan Utama, Tapi Tetap Sunyidan Tanong Swayza Nanya. Baby Punteter Lina Malam Squared. Bilik Samua Mangadap View Gunung, which is awesome. Good. Hotel nice and clean hotel. Suitable for short travel. Great location near laundry in Kundasang town. Great view. Easy parking. Near laundry. Most importantly near Kundasang town and places to eat. KK view was really nice, bedsheet was clean. Nice stay. It was a nice stay with a nice view. Worth it near town, nice view, clean, parking. Gunung Kinabalu view and stunning sunrise. Loved everything about this lodge. Can see Gunung Kinabalu very clearly, and on good days, the sunrise were absolutely stunning. Easy access to everywhere. Location recommended. The mountain is in front of you, close to your eyes. Simple but comfortable. Located near Kundasang town center. Basic room, but very comfortable with hot water shower and clean toilet. Good for a quick stay and place to rest and freshen up. All rooms face Kinabalu. Wake up by 6 a.m. to view the sunrise. Exceptional great view in the early morning. For sure will come back again. Nice place near to Kundasang town. Worth stay. Nice place to stay, will go there second time. Exceptional good. Recommended. Great budget stay with amazing view of Mount K. Entrance is steep, need to go with gear 2 to drive uphill. Embarrassed smiley face, but no worries, cancel upon Bolalapas, A-OK. Very near to the Kundasang town. Rooms on the first floor aren't soundproofed, can hear people's steps upstairs, but at night you still can sleep soundly. Sabab Sajuk. Perfect view. All room have perfect view to Mount Kinabalu, which is magnificent to see at morning. Highly recommended others to stay. Near to Pekinabalu, which easy to find place to eat. Best place to stay. Best place to stay with tight budget. The room are comfortable, less than 100 meter from town, staff are super friendly. The view are majestic too. Wake up around 7 a.m. for a nice view of Mountain Kinabalu. Great room, great view, my second time here. Everything was perfect.